advice for all young engineers during concreting is always use vibrator. It helps to compact your concrete very well, far more than what a hand can do, far more than what two machines can do. A vibrator and a machine, and then you have a perfect concrete. Use the vibrator during the concreting of your beam and slab. That is the best option. Just watch how I do it. One thing with using vibrator to do your concreting is this: you cannot chisel it. It's almost impossible or difficult to chisel unless you use the electrical chisel. It's very solid, it makes your concrete very durable. 500 years before maintenance. Always use a poker vibrator. It's always the best option for your compaction. Thank you for watching.